Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), wey be the body responsible for election matter for Nigeria, don begin the distribution of permanent voters cards across different states for Nigeria. INEC for their official statement talk say this distribution of PVC will happen between 12 of December 2022 to 22nd of January 2023 from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and this one includes Saturdays and Sundays. Now this one can make TMC TV Tori people carry waka go different INEC local government office for Edo South to monitor the exercise. For Ekpobawaka local government office, plenty people gather around different corners. They try to get their PVC as the INEC staffs, when they on ground, they try to sort them out. Some of the people when Shuk to TMC TV Tori people talk say make INEC do better to help reduce the stress for the process.
There is no room for elderly people. They need to create room for elderly people. Personally, like me now, I'm not, my head, I cannot stand. You can see the queue now, and they are very slow. They are very slow in their work. They are not doing it the way they're supposed to do it. That's just what I discover here.
7 o'clock now, 10 day here. I don't call if they check people a card. They'll say at times they'll say make the person go back, no day, or they'll say make the person the number no day. They give different excuses. They tell people that they go. The thing don't tire me. Now June this year now I register, but when I go Ogbeson, they say may I come this side. Say my name don't come out. Now I take as I cost this money now. I don't see anything.
I don't do like I started coming here since on Monday. I go come every day. They will tell me say they not see my PVC, and this is like the third time I'm coming. They will tell me say they not see PVC. I've been here for a long time. Still now I never still see PVC. I registered last year. That was when I registered. Till now, they are telling me they've not seen it. It's not out yet.
Around 7 o'clock, nowadays this morning, since I come from Ikwe side, come here. So I need to collect my PDC card this morning. I not get anything. I not get any instruction. We have somebody to register. They're supposed to share it for there. Somebody will collect you. So they not give anything at all. So we check for us. I check for 1,000 transport come here. So at this morning now, I don't get anything.
Come here so now 1,000 to go back 1,000, and I see day line 6 morning to even make sure say I collect this thing. Look the queue, look everybody. Nobody now the unit. They're supposed to carry this thing go everybody unit. Where you for register, you collect your PVC there. But I not spend 1,000, go in and come in 2,000 without I not see the PVC collect. So the thing tire me for this country. Since when I here now almost 4 hours. Now I don't dey here now. I never see get wetin I dey find. Afternoon go reach now, hungry go see beat me. Join wetin I want to vote for. They not give me number. Some people get number now, some not get number. We don't know how they do am. The thing don't tire me. So now we say more talk because you not get what they want to do. Everybody got to go to a unit. May they collect this thing.
I came here around that after 9, and I dey here since. I think I see my body. To even get the number, those are even issued number. I not made them, so I have to issue number to my own self. So I dey for license, and the light even water like get as it be. You know they move well. Other world they move fast, but this water you can see men now. See how they shout. They call names here since even fight now small remain. So that is it. It's not moving the way it's supposed to move. At least it's supposed to make it more simple than this very one. People dey here. Some people don't even come out here see they don't tire. Some people say they come yesterday, they not get. They say they come today by 10 o'clock. 10 now they dey here after 11. They don't go back again. They not get, and to come back tomorrow again. Now money be that now. They should spread it to world level, where we register. Make they cannot go there. If they not get personnel, when they go, make they look for ad hoc personnel to help them do it, so that you can get this thing before they say it don't expire.
From Ekpobawaka, we can carry waka go Ego office where we see say the people they very orderly and they attend to them according to their words. Some of the people when Shuk to us talk say.
Be like say they're not ready for this election. I don't spend more than 1 hour here to come collect my card. They go say the thing not there. After more search, I don't know why they cannot keep this thing unit by unit, word by word. Maybe they are still looking for a tip before they can get to your card. It's very, very embarrassing. We are in a frustrated nation. They are further frustrating us. All this one our allow. If they are not serious, maybe they just tell us. The election day again, that's what they go see do. They go see this one, they no go see the other. Because I saw my name. I see my name for board. I even went to the internet, I see my name there. They come here and they say, you know, was forced to fill form to say I don't see my card. Before they come even say, okay, may they go find out for where they keep them. I hope they are not trying to do this one, may they take frustrate some political party, but although they don't know the political party one a day. But the way that they look my eye and make I give them tip, may they for quick give me my this thing.
Nigerian as a country, we need to organize ourselves, and that one go fit make us develop fast. If you look at the developed countries in the world, like for example, starting from United States of America, United Kingdom, China, Japan, you will see some level at which they put things in order. And as Nigerians, we can also do that. Just imagine, I still dey wait till January 6th. So what am I trying to say? Be say, as Nigerians, our government, we need to put things in order so that our people will see some good changes, not the changes when go deprive the poor. You understand? The changes that will cause betterment for the people, so that when we dey vote, we will say we are voting. Because now we don't know what will happen. So all the leaders that will come out for 2023 leadership, please know that you are leading the people. Do not deprive us, serve us, and you will be served.
Come here, I was last month. They come tell me say he go come out this very December, starting from on the 12th. And the woman tell me say the card not there. Say make I write my phone number down. But unfortunately, as I go back home, now the woman call me, because I don't reach house. My side na New Benin side, and I will vote for Ohoro area. Now she call me and say, make I come say they don't find my PVC. This one on my PVC, I believe say as it stand now, I don't see change for Nigeria, for better Nigeria, because it not to stress me. As it stand, it not to stress me at all. I just registered last month. This very last 2 months, now I register. This very month now I get my PVC. I just thank God for a better Nigeria.
For Oredo local government office for Ekenwa Road, the people complain say the process they very, very slow and they tire body.
It really hard. I don't dey here since around 8. First of all, we don't queue, they don't push me. See my body now, see my white, it don't stain. All in name of say I won't collect PVC. I beg, more could try, more make this thing easier. If government fit do, maybe say if person apply for in PVC, go just get her maybe within that period of time. It dey better than maybe person come dey queue, they face all this kind of palaver.
PVC is very difficult. You know, I'm here since 7. Now it's by to 3, I'll be to 2 now. I have not still get my PVC. If you look at many crowds here, only one person will be attending to somebody. And before they give the youth PVC, it's very difficult. There are people that will tell them that they are PVC, and many youth, they are back more than 200 people back. Say they should come March, say they should come January to come and collect their PVC. You understand? I think it's like you are telling them they should go after election. And to get PVC, okay, INEC chairman cannot employ more people to be, and they cannot make this PVC like a ATM card. Like if I go to my bank now, if I misplace my ATM card, for example, they will say, okay, please have a seat. Before 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, they will give me. Okay, INEC cannot do so. What is the problem of the country? INEC cannot make this voters card available anytime you feel like, even though you misplace your ATM card. There are many. Do you believe? I've been suffering here since because of I want to collect my voters card. As in, before I register, I suffer. Before I collect my voters card, I'm not talking about transport. I'll be burning up and down.
Like me now, I registered June, so by this time I thought the PVC should be out by now. You understand? But look at the queue, and some people did not even collect. They said I'm going to call them back. So I say the system is very poor. And I don't know why it's really happening to us here, because it's not like that as in elsewhere. But we are not really happy because we've been here since morning, since around 9. I've been here since around 9. And up till now, no, it's not possible for me to take my PVC, which is bad.
We can carry Wakago INEC Edo State Headquarters for the resident electoral commissioner for Edo, Obo Ifanga, to chook mouth for some of the complaints from the people. The commissioner talks say based on the collection, Edo people they respond well.
Wetin I observe be say plenty Edo people don't come they collect their voters card, and some of them when they collect, you go see as in they're happy. Especially the new ones where not the first time they could vote be this. Even old people will come collect their cards and they're happy. So for yesterday alone, more than 2,600 people don't collect cards for Edo. Only yesterday.
On top the complaint when they come, sake of say the PVC distribution, they happen for only local government level, the commissioner talks say.
If you go any of our local government office, you go see them arrange people where they give the cards word by word. So if you go there now, say, they go ask you which ward you register to vote, then we'll show you who they attend to you. So they get table for each ward. You know, say for each local government area, then we get like 10 wards. So for each of those wards, then give number, then get people where they attend, then get their own cards. So when you go, then go check your name, look for your card, give you. But people will talk, say, local government office too far from where then they live, then go wait small. In January, from 6th of January to 15th of January, we go wards, make them go collect for there. So about 9 days, we will go wards, because when they collect the cards every day, including Saturday and Sunday. This holiday period where they come, the only day where we no go work, go be public holidays. But every other day, including Saturday and Sunday, we work for collection of cards.
The Constitution talks a special attention day for people living with disabilities, pregnant women and old people.
That one a normal thing where they do now. If you, any of our work where they do, if you go even to register to collect a voter's card or to vote on election day, they give special attention to persons with disability and also nursing mothers, women where they carry baby, and pregnant women, may they attend to them first. But if you will just see, and then elderly people, all those people, they give attention to them.
On top people who never still get their card, the commissioner talks say,
if person never see their card, there are a few reasons for that. If it be say the person register more than once, so as he comes, so the last registration where he do, when he come to collect card, we don't cancel that registration, and then we tell him. And then that's one. The other one, there are very few cases where you've been registered through. You suppose get card, you no get card. If you get that kind of case, then we make reports, we go inform headquarters. But yesterday, we received new cards for Edo State here. We still sort the cards so that we go send and go local government areas. So if it be, some of those people, if it be, now them card will just arrived so yesterday. But by next week, then we'll begin to pick those cards. The things say by Wednesday latest, these cards where we just collect yesterday, go there collection centers.
Omo Aluke at Jakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving any politician on election day.